An earthquake is a sudden and violent shaking of the ground, sometimes causing a great destruction as a result of movements within the Earth's crust or volcanic action. It's measured by a Richter scale, which is a standard body wave magnitude of a formula of a rough idea of a frequency occurrence of large earthquakes.
A fault is a break in the Earth's crust along which movement can take place, causing an earthquake. In Utah, movement along faults is mostly vertical. Mountain blocks move up relative to the downward movement of valley blocks. Faults with evidence of Holocene about 10,000 years ago to now, movements are the main concern because they are most likely to generate future earthquakes. If the earthquake is large enough, surface fault rupture can occur.
Liquefaction is a phenomenon in which the strength and stiffness of the soil is reduced by earthquake shaking or rapid loading. Liquefaction and related phenomena have been responsible for tremendous amounts of damage in historical earthquakes around the world. Liquefaction occurs in saturated soils, that is, soils in which the space between individual particles is completely filled with water. This water exerts a pressure in the soil particles that influence how tightly the particles themselves are pressed together. Prior to an earthquake, the water pressure is relatively low. However, earthquake shaking can cause the water pressure to increase to the point where the soil particles can readily move with respect to each other.